that switch, it's not just about what we build, it's about the people who make it happen. What defines us isn't just the challenges we encounter, it's how we rise together to meet them. Finding creative solutions and proving that when we work as one, there's nothing we can't achieve. From the people ensuring seamless operations, to those developing the innovations that set us apart, to the teams behind the scenes making it all run smoothly, your work matters. Together, we've accomplished so much already, and the best is yet to come. The future isn't something we wait for. It's something we create. We are laying the foundation for a long-term success. We are creating a system that's built to last. A system designed to inspire confidence and lead the industry. These aren't just data centers. We are powering the future of intelligence. You're not just part of a team, you are part of a movement, building something that will define the next generation of technology and connection. The future is ours to create together.